about the presentation, right? I already upload this to the e-learning. Just click on the file. Just click on the e-learning. Then you will see this rubric over there, all right? In the schedule. If you can go into your e-learning now, you can actually check this file is there, all right? Just click on the announcement, all right? So what I will do over here is, this is the schedule that I planned out. Next week, apparently the following week will be holiday, right? Next week is week 13. By the way, this is not following the arrangement. The arrangement of the group presenting is in the Google Sheet. Over here is just a list of groups that will be presenting during that particular slot time. So I wanted to split the presentation into two class, on week, this week is week 12, right? 12. This week 12, So I wanted to do on week 13 and 14. However, week 14 is public holiday. Public holiday means it's holiday, right? So we have no choice to cram everyone, every group into presenting their presentation during the time next week. All right, next week. So what I suggest over here is, as you can see over here, I suggest that we should start at 9:45. 9:45. So the first group should come in at 9:45 and present. So just in case you don't want your friend to listen your presentation, all right, you can come early. Then when you present, you got what I mean, right? So you can present earlier, all right? Just to fit in every one of you. Each group you'll be given 15 minutes, 15 minutes for your presentation. So on the 20th, Friday, I also uploaded this into the e-learning already. I just make an announcement here, meanwhile waiting for your friend to arrive before I enter to the actual course content. Okay, this announcement. Over here also at the same day on the 20th of June, the tutorial time, you got this 4 slot to be presenting during the tutorial time. You all are welcome to see your friend during the tutorial slot if you want to come and observe them. Give them support. Don't give them more nervous, all right? Don't make them more nervous. Give them support. You can come and give them support. And on the 26th, which is the following week, you will have these groups following their tutorial slot, all right? Over here, okay? So what I want to emphasize is the time given is 15 minutes, and the rubric is over here. This one all are inside the e-learning, so no worries. I just want to show you. So I was thinking that some of you might be slow to class, right? So during this gap, I don't want to waste time. I can just give some announcement over here. So this will be your assessment grid. As you can see, all right, I want to emphasize this over here. I do tell you that you don't have to show your Word or PowerPoint, right? But at the end, I think about it. What you can do is, during your presentation, okay, this is the technique that I want to share with you. Not technique, technique.
Yes.
Or the flow, all right? You can follow from what I'm going to share with you, all right, for your presentation. So you can prepare your slides. It's okay. Simple slide, maybe 1 slide or 2 slides, just to show your business name, your business nature, what model you're using. Of course, you're using e-business, but your focus is it business to business, business to consumer, or consumer to consumer? Of course, it's not consumer to consumer because you're business, right? Don't worry, we'll learn this in our final chapter later on. Different types of mood, all right, different types of e-business. So on the first slide, all right, in the PowerPoint slide, maybe you can just show this kind of basic thing, and then the product that you are selling or the service that you are providing. Then you can give a brief introduction. Maybe before that, you can give a brief introduction of your teammates. Okay, very fast. Then that's all. That's all on the slide. Okay, then you go into your Microsoft Word, navigate through, show me that your Microsoft Word document is very, how to say, flexible in terms of navigation. When you click on the navigation panel, you can go to whatever information you want. So when you explain, maybe you say that I want to show you in detail of our products. So you click into the navigation panel or the table content. You can straight click into the products or the services to show me how well your Microsoft Word has been formatted. All right. Then you can show me over here the Excel. After that, straight away close the Word or minimize the Word. Open up the Excel. Show me how you use the Microsoft Excel to compute your budget, to compute your plans of your finance, all right, your financial planning. You can show me a little bit on changing the figure, and then your amount will change. So, for example, you say that maybe you are planning to increase the price for per unit, maybe to 10 ringgit. From 5 to 10 ringgit, then you can show me visually that your profit increased. Something like that. I'm just giving an example. Very fast, you showed me this kind of, I would say, illustration, right, on your Excel. Excel, over here, I want to emphasize again, some of your friends has been asking me, some of your friends asked me that how many years should you provide for your data in the Microsoft Excel, right? The budget, financial statement, the pivot table, how much data is sufficient. So I was thinking about it, and I end up with 1 year. All right, 1 year. 1 year worth of data is sufficient. You can split them monthly, you can split them quarterly, you can split them semi-annually, or you can straight away annually. You got what I mean? The presentation flow can be different way, or you can even create a macros to actually when you just do a click or drop down, you can still change the report accordingly. Then that would be another 10% of the VBA in your Microsoft Excel marketing grid. Then Microsoft Access. Microsoft Access, you should show over here, you can see demonstrate a fluid interface using form, show how the data entered, stored, queried, and report system aligned with business logic. Very simple. You just illustrate how you use your system. In a simple word is, you just illustrate how you use your system, and when you illustrate how you use your system, your database, it should be smooth. All right, you shouldn't be like, oh, click it halfway, then there's an error or it cannot work. Then your marks should fall down over here. So actually, broken down this into two major parts. One is the non-technical, as you can see, 1 and 2 is non-technical, and then 3, 4, and 5 is the technical part. All right, of your presentation. Total of all this is 50, but it will be converted into 5 marks for your coursework. Any questions?
So if we got conversion, we got 4.75, can we just round off to 5?
4.75 is 4.5. It will be round down to 0.5 lower.
But nearer.
If 4.25, it will be 4. If 3.75, it will be 3.5.
3.99.
3.99 is 4 lah. That is 3.9. 3.9 will be 4. 4.9 should be 5. 3.8 no.
Huh? Tak boleh lah.
3.8 no. Because this is just for the presentation. Other aspect is more linear, but this one, since the grid is very simple, I would say, not that much, 0.5, 5. There will be, if 0.9, then it will be higher, but 0.75 it will go down. All right, 0.25 or 0.4. 0.4 will be 0.5. All right, 0.4 will be 0.5. Are you okay? No, why? No, it's not difficult. I'm still marking your midterm. Now around 50 already.
So productive.
Now around 50 already. Your friend Zaim. Let me just stop this.